anybody in 225 Bugle Road exit the residence. This is the police. We have a search warrant. Even if you're in the basement, all people in the residence exit the residence now.